What is up, YouTube? So today I'm gonna paint the valve cover on the Honda. It's not gonna be a step-by-step, mostly like a time-lapse thing. These things are quick, so I just trying to do filler videos. You know, I promised myself when I first started YouTube that I would release content once a week, at least minimum, with shorts and with, you know, video. So it'd be Wednesday or Thursday that I would drop everything. So let's get this started. So first, we got to remove the valve cover and the spark plug wires. I do have another valve cover gasket, so that would help with at least our leaks and our leaking problem. So remember how I said the guy said he was building it to boost it with upgraded studs and stuff like that? Yeah, he lied. That's all stock. And it looks like he hasn't taken apart this head or this valve cover for a long time. There's some type of, like, I want to say like rat turd. Ugh, I don't know. But yeah, let's get this cleaned up. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can off. But first, let's go over here. I'm gonna hit this with a pressure cleaner, get as much stuff as I can off, because I am painting the valve cover. Like I said, I'm gonna do the wrinkle black by a VHT. Cleaner of choice is the scrubbing bubbles. I've seen before that this is one of the best cleaners to use in an engine bay. That it pulls up a lot of grease and a lot of grime. Since we use it in our tubs, it pulls off that hard water. So let's see how it works. So while that dries, looks a little bit better. Not by much, but I am gonna hit it with some sandpaper next. See what I can take off. So let's go back to the front of the car. And let's see what we can do here. So since I am gonna do a windshield wiper delete, I'm gonna take out the windshield wiper reservoir. Intake will be coming off next. What else? What else do I need to take off? The windshield wiper blades, of course. This horn, I don't know what it's connected to because I don't have a horn connected into my car. See, as the cable's cut, so might as well get rid of that. Like I said, just a couple things for right now. So yeah, let's take out the reservoir. There's one 10 mil bolt down there. I think that's the only thing holding it. I don't see, oh, wait, there's another 10 right there. All right, let me take those off real quick. And I found another one right down here. And just like that, it's out. Now, time to take out the windshield wipers. Take off these stupid covers. It just dry rotted off. And yeah, let's see what else I can do. Try not to do too much because I got that opened up. So, just a little thing here and there. All right, so I'm gonna come back over here, see how this is doing. Looks like it's drying up a bit. Now that's drying up a bit, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of sandpaper, get it roughed up, and spray it off one more time to start painting. Just like that, I'm done with sanding. One more time with the scrubbing bubbles. See if I can get all that grease off. If there's any grease left. Let that sit for 2 more minutes. Oh, this is hot. Let that sit for a couple more minutes. Like I said, this isn't the how-to. It's my how-to. It's how I always done it. Seems to work best for me. The only thing I'm missing is a heat gun. Eugene has that. Speaking of Eugene, look at the hood, guys. It still looks good. The only issue we're having right now is our bend that we try to push in popped up, which sucks. So I tried to make a line so we could put more vinyl down, but it's still rising, so we're just letting it rise and see where it stops, where we can mark a line and try to box it off. This hood isn't gonna last forever. This is something until, you know, we can afford to get another hood on this car. But it is hot, guys. South Florida heat, even at night, it's terrible. I am sweating so much. Let me get back into cleaning this. So this is my tape job. As you can see, it's not really anything too crazy, just covering up the holes. I don't need to cover where the bolts go. I think it'll be all right. So next is paint. So let me set you up on a time lapse.
Put your bitch on my Snapchat. When I fuck up, I make her. She want a chance with me, cause she know I'm a rapper. I give a dick, but I never get feelings, cause shawty, I know what you after. Okay, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. Get hit in my section at 12, gon' find your ass way in New Orleans. Watch a little bit, I'm jugging. Dissect your hand if your hand in my putting. Put two in your man if your man keep a looking. Act like a pussy, your panties get tooken. I'm not the type to go fuck with them niggas who fuck with them niggas who stay on some fuck shit. Young and trapping out the bando, from the ceiling fan to the damn floor, trying to stack my money up, cause that's the only way we can go.
So here it is. Now I gotta let it dry for a little while. So I started blow drying a little early. I thought I counted all the sprays, but I guess I was on 2. And when I was thinking about it in my head, I was like, man, I only did 2. And I started using the hair dryer, my wife's hair dryer. Thank you, wife. You're supposed to wait on your 3rd one to start doing that, so it can start wrinkling out. Now we gotta let it sit for 2 hours. Alright, guys, so I appreciate you guys. Again, we're still growing, which is amazing. I'm up to over 1,000 view hours, which is amazing, and I think I'm at just under 1,000 likes on all my videos. So if you could leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment, let me know what you guys think about this. Want me to do next on the Civic. Right now it's just called Project Budget. Alright, guys, thank you.